Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please note that I share real and practical trading tips to help you trade smart and protect your capital. So having that said, in today's video, I want to talk about something that ruins a lot of intraday traders, and that would be not booking profits on time. Many traders have great entries but lose money because they get greedy and hold the trades too long. Okay, please don't forget that you are into intraday trading, and intraday trading is all about doing the right things at the right time. If you have ever turned a winning trade into a loss, watch this video till the end. This will really help you out. Okay, now let me ask you this. Have you ever been in profit? Say it may be 1000 rupees or 5000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, but you thought, let me wait for a bit more. And then the market reverses and suddenly you are in a loss. I have been there, and I'm sure every trader has been there. But smart traders know how to avoid it. Okay, and that's what you will be learning in today's video. So I'm going to lay out some very practical points that will help you realize how important it is to book your profits on time. Maybe that you know every bit of this video, but I would request you all to listen up once again and refresh your memories to be on the right track. All right. So first, let's understand why booking profits matters so much in intraday trading. Intraday is all about small and quick moves because the market rarely gives you big trends for hours together. So if you catch a good move, you must secure it. Okay. And when I say intraday is all about small and quick moves, you need to define the profit points that you are gonna secure. Like for example, if you are trading Bank Nifty, then you need to set a rule for yourself that I will book out the profit once I'm in a profit of 100 points or 150 points or 200 points, whatever it may be. Now remember, you need to know which segment can give you how much profit points. So in Bank Nifty, if you are into intraday trading and if you aim for 500 rupees move or 500 rupees profit points, you will be at risk for sure. I'm not saying 500 profit points will not be reached or will not be met, but what I'm saying is that amount of profit points will not be reached easily. Yeah, so you need to set the rules in such a way that you are not stressed, and at the same time the target points should be met without much pressure or without much struggle. I hope you are getting the point. Now remember, the market owes you nothing. Okay, you can never catch the exact top or bottom. If you wait for the perfect exit every time, you will mostly be disappointed. Please be noted about that. Okay, so one good trade booked on time can cover your entire day's goal. Okay, but one greedy trade can wipe it all, or worse, make you negative. Okay, so how do you know when to exit? That's the most important thing that you should be aware of as a day trader, right? So let me put in three practical rules you can follow. Rule number one, always set a realistic target before entering the trade. I have covered this point just before some time, wherein I explained about the Bank Nifty trade and explained why should you be booking out your profits at 100 or 150 points. You reach the target, just close the trade. Do not overthink, do not change your mind. Please remember, targets should bring in discipline and not greed. Okay, point number two, if the price is moving in your direction, but then starts slowly going down or starts a consolidation, don't wait forever. Okay, intraday moves happen fast, so if the momentum dies, exit with your profit. Now let me give you an example. if you are trading Bank Nifty and you are aiming for 100 profit points. But if you see that Bank Nifty is struggling at 80 profit points, then book your profit at 80 points. Do not be rigid to book your profits only when Bank Nifty touches your 100 profit points target. I hope you're understanding this. Moving on to point number three. The capital in your trading account should not exceed the amount that you are ready to lose for that particular day. Let's say, for example, if you are ready to lose, let's say 2000 rupees or 3000 rupees, then make sure that you only have 2000 or 3000 rupees as your capital. Okay, and this 2000 rupees or 3000 rupees can be calculated depending on the stop loss that you're going to keep. I will not get into the stop loss thing and will leave it to you, but the baseline is the capital in your trading account should not exceed the amount that you're ready to lose for the day. As simple as that. Okay, so follow these 3 points, and I'm sure it will be very helpful to you. So, here is my message. In intraday trading, don't be greedy. Small and consistent profits every day are better than hoping for one jackpot trade. Okay, stick to your plan, set your target, respect your strategy, and I'm sure you will be one of the profitable traders out there. Okay, and always remember, profits in your account is better than hopes on the charts. Okay, so I hope this video helps you avoid that painful feeling of watching profits disappear. And if you learned something valuable today, smash that like button, share this with your trading buddies, and tell me in the comments, do you have a rule for booking profits? I would love to hear from you. And if you are new, please do subscribe for more real and practical trading lessons every now and then. Thanks for watching. Trade simple, trade smart, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.